Do you want to be that girl in school? I got some tips and tricks on how to glow up for back to school.
We're so icy, man, I'm balling every day. You can't shake my game, so just get up out my...
I can't believe that school is resuming already. Why some school haven't even closed? Like, I have two categories, which is how to glow up for back to school, physically and mentally. You don't want to miss this out, okay? So the first I'm going to go with is physically. How to glow up for back to school physically. Man, people want to be the it girl, but now I'm going to tell you how to be that it girl. First thing is find your style. You don't want to wear something too fancy for school. You don't have to stick to one aesthetic. You can change it depending on what you actually like. There are different kind of aesthetic you can go with, like nature girl, baggy fit, akubi fit, soft girl, clean girl fit, body fit, Y2K fit, ethnic girl fit. Don't worry, if you guys wear uniform, I got you. If you wear uniform, if you want to look good in uniform, you know, firstly you need to have a clean ironed uniform. Some schools are not dress code friendly, so if you have uniform, make sure to iron uniform and make it clean. You can accessorize, you know. It doesn't have to be with too much jewelry, because you don't even have to wear necklace. You can just wear like a bracelet. But if that is not allowed in school, of course a piercing is allowed, right? You can just wear like a stud, cute earring. You can go with a cute earring. If you have blazer, sometimes you can just remove it. Sometimes blazer doesn't really look good on some people, you know what I mean, but blazer actually look really good on some people. So the next thing is drink lemon water or matcha daily. This thing has a lot of benefits, such as the bloating healthy digestion, know how to do your makeup. So in my last video I talked about the different kind of makeup in my how to glow for summer. So if you watch that video, if you get to like the makeup part, you will see the different kind of makeup I mentioned. So there are different kind of makeup out there. Let me tell you guys that some makeup doesn't really look good on some people, so just find your makeup style and know how to do your makeup. If your school doesn't allow makeup, then that's fine. You can go with lip gloss, that's all. You don't need something too much. The next thing is have a good skincare routine. You don't have to. You don't have cleanser, serum, toner, moisturizers. Have a good skincare routine. And I'm gonna say it and I'm gonna say this again, do not use harsh products. Have a shower routine. You can literally do the 40-step shower routine and also bathe twice a day, morning and night. Grow your lashes. Do not use vaseline or olive oil on your lashes. I learned that the hard way. So why shouldn't I use this on my lashes? Number one, vaseline can actually cause eye infection. Even though vaseline helps in moisturizing your lashes, don't put vaseline on your lashes, guys. And do not use olive oil on your eyelashes if you don't want to go blind. I learned that the hard way. Every time I'm always adding olive oil on my eyes. Oh my gosh, I'll have to wipe the entire thing so I can see clearly. You can use the castor oil to grow your lashes. Yes, you can use eyelash serum. You don't need to add those jumbo umbrella lashes, okay? I'm sorry, I'm just an eyelash hater. I'm not trying to hate on people that love eyelashes, okay? It's fine, but personally I don't actually. Now you can go with like the natural eyelash. If you love eyelash, you don't need to wear those humongous butterfly umbrella lashes. Like, isn't that heavy on your eyes? But go with the natural eyelash, okay? The one that's a little bit more gentle on the eyes. Try a new haircut. So there are different kind of haircuts for your face shape. Just try that TikTok face shape filter, okay? You can try like the wolf cuts, the bang, butterfly cuts. I'm sorry, I don't know different kind of haircuts for white girls, but for black girls, try a new hairstyle. Sometimes some hairstyle doesn't look good on some girls, so know the hairstyle that will look good on you. Jumbo braids, goddess braid, French curls, boho braids, mini twist, knotless braid, kinking. Keep your hair clean and healthy. Do not destroy the life out of your hair. If you use this coily iron or stretcher or hair blower, any form of heat at all on your hair, make sure to use heat protector. Make sure to use heat protector on your hair and do not use too much heat on your hair. We can wash your hair like twice a week or once a week depending on your hair type, really. So you don't really have to wash your hair every single day because that destroys the hair as well. If you wash your hair every day, the chemicals in shampoo can destroy your hair. So know the kind of shampoo you are getting. Also get good products for your hair and for your hair type. Do your nails or have a clean nail, so you don't have to do the longest nail on earth. You can as well go with a clean natural look. Now if you want to do your nails, there are different kind of nails you can do. You know, there's the French curve, the square type, the stiletto. Get out! Get out! And I'm gonna say this, but I'm gonna say this my full chest. Dark nails is horrible. I'm sorry guys. I just need to say this. Dark nails is the worst kind of nails you can ever do on this planet. So never in your life do dark nails. That thing is so freaking bad. Have a clean nails and a clean natural nails. Now for some of you guys that bite the living heck out of your nails, relax, girl, relax. You don't need to do all that, okay? I know anxiety, overthinking, but it's your nose, you're destroying it. Calm down, okay? You got this. And when I mean do your nails, I mean do a clean nail. If you want to make it cute and all and add design, fine, but you don't have to make it look like, I don't know, but have a sense. So what you guys is to confuse everybody knows. Today you're smelling like coconut, tomorrow you're smelling like strawberry, next day you're smelling like chocolate, the other time you're smelling like vanilla, now you're smelling like baby, now you're smelling like paint. Calm down, have a scent. Yes, you can have like 3 or 4 scents, but if you want your scent to last longer, make sure to layer your scent right from your shower. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to spray your perfume correctly. If you want your perfume to last long, use Vaseline as well. Just apply Vaseline, then spray it. Do not spray your perfume or use your perfume oil on your chest area. Now you can use it at the back of your ears, you can use it at your neck, you can use it at your elbow. Accessorize your body. Now I'm gonna start with the hair. You can accessorize your hair with hairband, hair clip, hair pony, hair ties. Just beautify your hair, okay? Now to your wrists, you can use bracelet, but please do not use this amount of bracelets, okay? It doesn't look good, okay? You can use just a minimum of 3 bracelets or 5 in one hand. You don't have to make it 8 or 10. It doesn't look good. You can accessorize with necklace as well. Some school does it also allow necklace. So you can also go with a waist bead or waist chain. You can also go with an anklet. You don't have to do too much, okay? Now have a clean piercing. Use cute earrings.
So DJ bounce that bass so I can drive that.
We're going to the mental part of this video. How to prepare for back to school mentally. Now a lot of you guys struggle with this part, how to make friends. First step is confidence. You need to have confidence in yourself. Level up your confidence before any other thing. Even if you do all these things, some people might not have confidence in themselves. Level up your confidence. You don't have to be shy. Now step 2 is, this is so hard for a lot of people. Relax. Be an approachable person. You know, many people don't want to be around people that is not approachable. Maybe you have a mean face and you're actually not mean. Now a lot of people are gonna think that you're mean. So just smile sometimes, make people around you know that you're actually not mean. Be friendly and be nice. Don't be rude and disrespectful, because people don't want to be around that kind of person, okay? So no, if nobody want to come to you, then come to that person. Some people are shy, so if you want to make friends with them, just come to them and say hi. It doesn't have to be an entire conversation, but just say hi. Hi is enough. That person is gonna remember you and tell you hi next time you meet. Saying hi is a big step, so say hi to somebody. How to get good grades. You know, school is no longer the way it used to be. School is just full of drama and breakup and boys and different form of rubbish. You know, the it girl that is not the rude type, or the ones that skip classes. I'm not thinking about that it girl, okay? If you want that it girl, you can leave this video, because this video is not about those kind of girls. The kind of it girl I'm talking about is that girl. That it girl, like, she has good grades, she's confident, she always looks good, teacher loves her. So now if you want to get good grades, the first thing you need to do, now that we are still on break, during this summer break, you can start reading a little bit to refresh your memory. You don't have to read a lot. Now once school is resumed, just study a bit after school. Do your assignment and make it fun. You know, studying don't have to be so boring and so frustrating. You can make it fun. You can like listen to music. But when I mean music, I'm not talking about music that's going to distract you when reading. There is a Spotify playlist where you can get study music. Doesn't have any lyrics. You need to also organize your space. If you organize your space, you'll be more comfortable and more productive to like study and do other activities and tasks. Make sure you're paying attention to class. You don't have to be talking 2-4-7 with your friend. Sometimes, even though these teachers can be super boring that you just want to sleep in class, if you're not going to listen, at least read on that topic the teacher taught in class, okay? Now stay away from toxic people and surround yourself with positive people. You know what they say, a toxic environment is a toxic person. Surround yourself with positive energy, with positive people that give you positive energy. You know, a lot of people can be so discriminating and so negative and so toxic. Stay away from those people. I'm gonna tell you again, all of you watching this video, stay away from toxic people. You don't have to be friends with them. And be a positive person as well. Don't be a negative person or a toxic person. Now if you're a toxic person, calm your soul, because people don't like toxic people. People don't like negative people. Now you'll be like, you think being toxic is a vibe. Well, it's not. It's not a flex to be toxic or to be discriminative or to be negative, because people don't want to be around people like that. And try to be more positive. Have a good sleep schedule. Imagine you're watching this video by 2 o'clock in the morning. Oh yeah, drop the phone. But before you drop the phone, finish this video first, then you can drop the phone. Sleeping for like 7 to 8 hours have a lot of benefits for the body, so stop sleeping early. Have an organized schedule. Start organizing your day and planning your day ahead. Have a clean schedule, guys. Did I forget to say to take a lot of water? Drink a lot of water. Take like 8 glasses of water every day. I'm talking of 3 liters of water every day, not 1 Stanley cup of water. I'm talking of 3 Stanley cup of water. Bruh. Don't forget to have fun. Make sure to comment which grade you are going to. Anyway, this is the last one I'm gonna say, which is take your education seriously. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. You don't have to push yourself too hard, okay? Be yourself is another thing. Be yourself. Do not change yourself for anybody. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the ending. Don't worry, you guys are gonna be seeing my college vlogs soon. Don't forget to watch my last video, which is how to glow up for summer. I'll see you in my next video. I hope. Make sure to watch my next video. Bye bye. Am I missing anything else?
Let me see the club go off when I step on the mic. Game shakers in the spot.